What if reversing your biological age wasn't about a single magic pill, but a holistic system? True youthfulness requires four essential pillars working in harmony. First, an anti inflammatory diet to fuel your cells and fight damage. Second, strategic stress resilience to tame cortisol, the silent ager. Third, restorative sleep to activate your body's nightly repair cycle. And fourth, intelligent movement to build metabolic and mitochondrial health. When you combine these four pillars with foundational supplements like collagen and colostrum, you create a powerful feedback loop. It's not just about looking younger, it's about building a resilient, biologically younger body from the ground up. Ready to put this blueprint into action? Click the link in the description to read our complete holistic anti aging guide.